जय विजय एवरीवन। शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसंपदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो शुभ करता है, कल्याण करता है, आरोग्य रखता है, धन संपदा करता है और शत्रु बुद्धि का विनाश करता है, ऐसे दीप यानी दीपक की रोशनी को मैं नमन करता हूँ।
Hello students, now we will discuss the exercise 3.3. In this exercise we have to do multiplication and division only. So let us start with the first question. We are given 23,621 milliliter that we have to multiply by 16. So let us arrange it first of all vertically. Now we will start the multiplication. We will start with the 6 number, ठीक है, which is there at the ones place. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 six are 36, 36 plus 1 37, 6 threes are 18, 18 plus 3 21, 6 twos are 12, 12 plus 2 14. So these 6 we multiplied. Now let us multiply with the 1 which is there at the tens place. So before we start multiplication we have to put 0. Now we can start multiplication. 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 6, 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. Now we have to add them. 6 plus 0 6, 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 2 9, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 3 7 and 2 plus 1 3. ठीक है, this answer we got. This is what our answer. So like this way only multiplication you have to do, very simple. Now the next we are given second question, that is in that one we are given कि you have to multiply 23,412 milliliter by 18. तो उसमें भी हमें वही करना है. एट को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 8 टू ज़ा 16, 8 वन ज़ा 8 प्लस 1 9, 8 फोर ज़ा 32, 8 थ्री ज़ा 24, 24 प्लस 3 27, 8 टू ज़ा 16, 16 प्लस 2 18. Now we will multiply 1, but before that we have to put 0. Now 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4, 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. याद रखना, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये कैरी ओवर में गलती से दूसरे में भी ऐड कर दूंगा तो फिर इसको कैंसिल कर दिया करो, ठीक है. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट दी प्रैक्टिस ओनली. नाउ ऐड करो. 6 प्लस 0 6, 9 प्लस 2 11, 2 प्लस 1 3, 3 प्लस 1 4, 7 प्लस 4 11, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12 and 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So answer we got 4,21,416 milliliter. This is what the answer we got. The same way you will do rest of the multiplication by your own. Now let us solve the exercises for the division. It is there in the same exercise only. The seventh question is we have to divide 2,28,822 milliliter by the 11. तो हमें पहले इसको अरेंज करना है. तो 11 2 ज़ा 22. You have to bring down 8. Here division is not possible, so we have to put 0 and again we have to bring down another number, that is 8. 11 8s are 88. 0 0. We have to bring down 2. Again division is not possible. We have to put 0 and again we can bring down another next number. So here 22. So 11 2s are 22. We got remainder 0 0. So the quotient will be our answer. तो आंसर क्या आया मिला हमें 20,802 मिलीलीटर. आंसर वी गॉट. ठीक है, वेरी सिंपल डिवीजन इज देयर. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व द नेक्स्ट वन. लेट अस सॉल्व द नेक्स्ट वन. उसको भी हमें ऐसे ही अरेंज करना है. That is to be divided by 13. That is to be divided by 13. So इसके लिए 13 का टेबल आपको आना चाहिए. अगर 13 का टेबल नहीं आता है तो पहले ऐसे बाजू में 13 का टेबल लिख लो और फिर बाद में ये डिवीज़न करना तो गलती नहीं होगी. 13 7 ज़ा 91. 6 minus 1 5. 9 minus 9 0. Bring down 9. Now next is 13 4 ज़ा 52. 9 minus 2 7. 5 minus 5 0. Bring down 5. 13 5 are 65. 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 6 1. Bring down 6. Then next is 13 8 are 104. 13 6 are 13 8 are 104. 6 minus 4 2 0 and 0. Next bring down 6. 13 2s are 26 0 0. So we got remainder over here 0 0. So answer we got that is क्या मिला 74,582 मिलीलीटर. दिस आंसर वी गॉट. ठीक है, तो लाइक दिस वे ओनली यू विल डिवाइड द गिवन measurement of capacity with a particular number. So like this way rest of the examples you will solve by your own. Now the next concept is to be discussed is estimating capacity. Exercise 2.4 we will discuss in next video. So for estimating capacity we have to follow the same rule as we have seen in estimating length and estimating weight. That you have to see the 10th place. If 10th place is having 0 1 2 3 or 4 digit, then what we have to do, we have to take away the decimal part, निकाल देना है, and the whatever whole number is there that will be our answer. So let us have one example. 16.29 liter. Over here at the 10th place 2 is there, so we have to follow this rule. So what will be the estimating capacity? That 16 liter. We will take away the decimal part, निकाल दिया और जो भी whole number है वो हमारा answer. Now the another rule. If the 10th place is having 5 6 7 8 or 9 digit, then what we will do? We will take away the decimal part as we were doing, but you have to add one number to the whole number. आपको whole number में 1 ऐड करना है, मतलब ये whole number का successor लिखना है आपको as a answer. Let us have one example of the same rule. 23.92 kiloliter. Over here at the 10th place 9 digit is there. So we have to follow this above rule. So first of all we will take away the decimal part, but in the whole number part we have to add 1. So 23 plus 1 kiloliter और इसकी एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू हुई 24 किलोलीटर. ठीक है, सो लाइक दिस वे वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एनसी एस्टिमेटिंग कैपेसिटी. We have to find out the estimating capacity. Now let us solve the exercise 3.5. In the 3.5 exercise, the first question given is 212.287 liter. उसकी हमें estimated value ढूंढनी है. So over here we will see the 10th place. Here at the 10th place 2 digit is given. So we will follow the first rule. याद करो कि remove the decimal part and whatever whole number is there, that will be the answer. That will be the answer. So answer will be 212 liters. So that answer we have to write in the blank, 212 liter. Second one, 722.332 लीटर, उसकी हमें एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो ओवर हियर अगेन एट द 10th प्लेस 3 डिजिट इज गिवन. सो अगेन वी विल फॉलो द फर्स्ट रूल. we will take away the decimal part and we will put whole number, that is 722 as answer. So that is what our answer. So let us write the answer in the given blank. Now the fifth one में क्या दिया है, आपको कैपेसिटी दी है, मगर पहले तो आपको उसकी एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है एंड देन एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू को ऐड करना है. ठीक है, तो दैट इज नोन एज एस्टिमेटिंग सम. तो ओवर हियर द फर्स्ट गिवन इज 223.868. तो ओवर हियर एट द 10th प्लेस 8 डिजिट इज गिवन. So we will follow the second rule. So again take away the decimal part and add 1 to the whole number. So if you will add 1 to the whole number, then answer will be 224 liter. And over here the second number 333.672, again at the 10th place 6 is given. So we will remove the decimal part and we will add 1 to the whole number, so it becomes 334. Now we have to add these two numbers. So 4 plus 4 8, 2 plus 3 5 and 2 plus 3 5. तो हमारा आंसर क्या मिला हमें, 558 लीटर. दिस इज व्हाट द एस्टिमेटिंग सम और एस्टिमेटेड सम. तो ऐसे आपको एस्टिमेटेड सम फाइंड आउट करना है. Now next exercise is 7th exercise. Over here we will find estimated difference. We will find estimated difference. तो उसमें भी सेम रूल तो सेम ही है. You have to see the 10th place. If it is 3, over here it is 3. So remove the decimal part and keep whole number in the answer. Over here check the 10th place. Over here it is 5. So we will add 1 and this part will be cancelled out. तो 3264 लीटर. एंड फिर उसका हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. तो आंसर क्या आएगा, व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर, 4158 लीटर आंसर होगा. दिस इज व्हाट द एस्टिमेटेड डिफरेंस. तो लाइक दिस वे यू विल फाइंड एस्टिमेटेड सम, एस्टिमेटेड डिफरेंस एंड estimated value. Rest of the examples you will solve by your own. So with this exercise is getting over. Try more and more time. जितनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ही आपको आएगा. ठीक है, तो पहले रफ बुक में अच्छे से सॉल्व करना एंड देन कॉपी इन योर फेयर नोट बुक.